James Joseph Barnes, machinist mate, 3rd class, from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. J.B. Dale Cleveland, signalman, 2nd class, from Golden, Mississippi. Arvell B. Combs, fireman, 1st class, from Best, Kentucky. Robert Lester Munchek, Walter Tender, 2nd class, Albion, Nebraska. John James Takax, Walter Tender, 2nd class, Bridgeport, Connecticut. Clyde Milton Reesner, Seaman, 2nd class, from Downs, Iowa. Eugene Addison Renner, fireman, 1st class, from Canton, Ohio. Byron A. Smith, Seaman, 1st class, from Holcomb, Missouri. Milton Grant Eisenman, radioman, 3rd class, from Macon, Missouri. David Stewart Johnson, torpedoman, 1st class, from Quincy, Massachusetts. Frank Leon Miller, Walter Tender, 2nd class, from Missoula, Montana. Valentino S. Dominelli, Walter Tender, 3rd class, from Johnsonburg, Pennsylvania. Arnold William Erickson, radio technician, 1st class, from Fort Wayne, Wisconsin. Jasper Clarence McCartney, Walter Tender, chief, from Mangham, Louisiana. John Jack Edward Fuller, Seaman, 1st class, from Dayton, Illinois. John Kappa, machinist mate, 1st class, from Detroit, Michigan. Ben Kahn, radarman, 3rd class, from Moorhead, Kentucky. Horace Bergman Weimer, Walter Tender, 1st class, from Grafton, West Virginia. Robert Samuel Taylor, Walter Tender, 2nd class, from Bray, Colorado. Walter Bud Wimling, machinist mate, 1st class, from Wildwood, New Jersey. Alfred Brunson Wallace, lieutenant commander, from Gulfport, Mississippi. Billy Joe Bogan, seaman, 1st class, Hamilton, Texas. Let's take a minute of silence to commemorate and remember these brave and courageous individuals who lost their lives aboard CASSIN YOUNG.